Hi, welcome to my channel and my latest video. Today I'm going to do a product review. I have this Neewer microphone stand. Just came in the mail today, and this video, by the way, is meant to be the first in somewhat of a new series. I'm not sure if I'll make it a separate series or not, but I want to show my path towards live broadcasting. That's really what I'm at. This is one of the things that I've already bought for that, and I got other things on their way. So I'll be showing those to everybody as I progress towards that target. So the first thing I need is a stand for my microphone. I already have the microphone. I have this blue YETI microphone. I've showed this before. It is the smaller version of it, but it should work just fine. Right now it's on its stand that it came with, a nice solid table stand, but I want to be able to have one that's closer to my mouth if I go into live broadcast. So what I'm going to do here with this is I'm going to do a quick box opening, show you what comes in it, and then set it up, and we'll see how it works. I'm going to put up on the screen right now the actual Amazon ad that I used to buy this, because I did buy it from Amazon. And of course down below, like I usually do, I'll put the links to this and a few other things that might be applicable to this that I have or may get in the future. As usual, if you find something in this video you find useful, do me a favor and at least consider subscribing to my channel. That way you'll get, when you go into YouTube, you'll know that I have a new video and you'll be able to see what I have to offer. Okay, let's get this thing opened up and see what's in it. I have not opened it yet. See what we got. I don't see any tape. A good sign. It's not a very expensive microphone stand. It's, as you saw by my invoice, it was less than $15 with shipping and tax. In my case, just the tax, because I am a Amazon Prime. Let's see what we got here. A little bit of an instruction booklet here, I guess. Oh, it's a way to contact them if you have a problem with it. The code you can scan and look at it. What do I got here? I got the desk clamp. This will be connected to my desk here when I do use it. Standard clamp. Now I've used devices like this for many years. It's got, looks like a clamp for the pole on this. What this is. Take the rest out. They give a list of how to use it on the back of the box here. What comes in here? Oh, this is a microphone holder. So if I had a microphone that would be of the smaller diameter, the YETI won't fit in this, then I can actually use this holder to hold a microphone to the stand. It also has a part that looks like this comes out. I think this is an adapter for different types of microphones. I'll just take that out for now and we'll decide. I may need that or I may not. If not, I'll just put it back in the package and save it in case in the future I ever have a microphone like this. Okay, the standard scissor type mechanism. It looks like it has the connector that goes over here into the mic, and this is the connector that goes into the table clamp. So let's put in table clamp first and we'll see. So it would go something like this into the table clamp. I'll remove that for now until I get the microphone on it. And then at the other end we have what looks like the adapter to go into the microphone. This comes off too. So we have two different sizes of microphone connector. Let me take my YETI and take a look at it. And it looks like the smaller one. Well, it looks like I don't have an adapter to fit this. This is a much larger thread. It looks like a 1/4 inch versus this is probably an 1/8 inch. But you know what? I still keep all my stuff. I have a box with my blue YETI stuff in it. Let me go get that and see if there's something in there that will work out for me okay. So I'll be right back. Well, I was right. I found this with the blue YETI inside the box. This is my original blue YETI box that I have. I saved it like I always do. I have everything on a shelf downstairs. When I went through the packaging, this was included, and this looks like this connects to the bottom of the blue YETI. And then I should be able to adapt that with the adapters that were provided by the stand. But first, let me take it off of this desk stand, because I'm not going to be hopefully using it this way anymore. But I'm not going to throw it away. That's going to go back in the box with the rest of the blue YETI stuff. So you should always hang on to everything you have. Put this in here for now, but I'll put it back in the box. Take the blue YETI. We put this adapter they gave me on it. As you can see, it has the 1/8 inch It looks like it's going to a full 5/8. So when I put this in, I'll need one of the other adapters. So let me put this in first here. And then I'll need, it looks like this will work. This one here has one end set up for the stand by default. And it has the other end, which is just a thread changer, really, a size changer. So I'll put this into here. Make sure you put, when you have something like this, make sure you put the little notches so you can get to them. So I'll put it in this way. I won't tighten it up right now. I'll just finger tighten it. But now this should fit onto the stand. And of course this would have to be tightened as well. Lock it in place. I'll get it into the position that I want to use it first, and then I'll decide. So at this point, I should be able to put this on now. Lock it in place a little bit. I won't lock it in full place until I get it on my desk. I'll just put it right over here on the edge of the desk, next to my power. So it'll just go right over here. I'll put this in here like this. It does not have a pad to protect the bottom of your desk, so if you need, just some thick tape might be good enough just to lock it in place, just to make sure it doesn't damage the bottom of your desk. My desk is old. There's no damage that can be caused by this, really. I want to make sure that it faces me. I have to decide which way this should go. I can either put it up at the top or I can put it on the bottom. Let me try the bottom first. I do want to make sure that the front of the mic, this is the front of the YETI mic. I want to make sure that that's where the actual pickups are. I want to make sure that that faces me when I'm talking. And then I can go ahead and position this right in front of where I'm speaking from. And then I can lock this in place up here. And that should hold it for now. I'll put my YETI cable on for now. I'll have to reroute the cable at some point. But for now, I'll just temporarily just hang it over this way. And that plugs into the back of the YETI like this. It's a USB-C cable. And then I can put a headphone on here if I'd like to as well. If you look here at the bottom of the YETI. So you see a headphone connector here as well, in addition to the USB-C connector. Okay, let me set it up and then I'll test it and we'll see how it goes. Well, hi everybody. Welcome to my first live broadcast. Today I'm going to cover how to build a PC. So I hope you get something out of it and you enjoy it. Be a little forgiving of me with my first time, but I do expect some good comments. Well, anyway, let me get started, okay? Not bad. So I think that worked out pretty good. As you heard, the sound was actually coming from this microphone when I was simulating the live broadcast. Stand is very good. I wish it had the lateral movement this way. It actually could swivel in this direction. It doesn't have that option, but I guess for the cost you get what you pay for, right? It's a nice, solid, non-shiny black coating, and it has a lot of different adjustments to it in terms of tensioning. Right now it's nice and new and solid, so I don't see any problem with it, but we'll see how it goes when I start to use it, more on a regular basis. Hopefully you got something out of this video and you would consider subscribing to my channel. Now, as I said in the beginning, I plan on making more videos like this on the equipment as I get it to try to get ready for going live to everybody. We'll see exactly when that happens. I haven't made a decision yet. I want to make sure everything is just right. Everything is a learning experience, right? And there are some people that had questions. They had sent me emails. Maybe they could get those questions answered directly from me when I go live. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope everybody's doing well.